All right, here is our room at ResortsWorld. We were given this nice little pretty, actually a souvenir key that we get to keep. We can use this to open up our door, or the actual normal keys that they come with. This is a 1-bedroom suite in the Crockford West tower. It's the nicer section of the hotel, though I think the lesser of the 2 towers. So once you enter the room, you can see our living room right in front of us. You have 1 bathroom off to the left. Some nice little pretty wall art. And off to the right, we can see sort of the little closet, the safe, with the robes, slippers, and a couple little drawers. And then here we have the living room. One of the TVs, as well. We get a nice little espresso machine. Of course, all the nice purchasable goodies. Give us a couple little waters for ourselves. And then of course you have the 2 different fridges. Oh, this one actually very rare amenity in not too many casinos. Of course you have the purchasable fridge, but they also include the tiny small one for your own personal drinks. So you can pick up some water, soda, whatever, and bring it for yourself. A nice little walkthrough so you can see all the art and artwork they set up in here. And then off to this side, we have our bedroom. With its own TV. And you got a nice little lounge chair that's right in front of the window from our bedroom. And they also give you your own massager just for the room. An alarm clock, and something people don't quite often take into account these days, you have your standard USB ports, but then you also have a Type-C port. And that's starting to become more and more common for a faster charge. Then we have the bathroom in here with 2 sinks, as well as a stool, so you can sit down and for your makeup. You got a nice big huge soaking tub, and then off to the left of the bathroom you have the second toilet. And I've seen some videos where you get the little controls and you can have the little bidet and whatnot with it. Our room unfortunately did not come with that. I'm not sure whether that's unique to this room or this tower. And then in here is our shower. And let me tell you something, I'm 6'4". Do a quick flip around. I normally have issues with showers, but this is insane. I can stand under this and jump, and I would not even bother getting anywhere close to it.